Okay, we're going to talk about PAAL versus TAO versus FET. Okay, which one is better? Which one is better? Let's go into it right now. So PAAL AI, in my opinion, is the best out of the three. Okay, PAAL has the most room to grow. It has the smallest market cap, so that means more growth. But let's just look at TAO. Let's not be biased here. BitTensor, and let's look at FET. Okay, FET.ai. All right, cool. Now, market cap wise, FET is around 700 million. TAO is around 2.1 billion, and PAAL is around 120 million fully diluted. Now, the reason why I like PAAL the most, outside of it being a smaller market cap play, is this right here. I'm gonna show you. See that? That is a ecosystem in categories. Okay. Now, let's see, does BitTensor TAO have an ecosystem? I don't see BitTensor TAO. See, nope, I don't see it. Let's go to F. Let's see if FET has a ecosystem. No, I don't see it. So let's go to PAAL's Twitter page, and let's count how many these that we see. These this right here, this emoji with the hand. Let's see how many we see. Okay, so we see 1, we see 2, we see 3, we see 4, we see 5. That is within 4 days. We see partnerships within 4 days. Look at that. That's on the 20th. That's the 19th. That's the 19th. That's a completely different platform. That's another one. Like, that's another collaboration. That's another collaboration. This is another collaboration. This is another collaboration. I mean, PAAL AI has the most collaborations and connections that I've seen in a very long time. Very long time. People are using PAAL AI. Let's talk about price. Where do I see PAAL AI price going? At least $1. So that takes us to $1 billion valuation. If we can get PAAL X is their new product that they're going to have, to where individual crypto projects can have their own specific bot that will tell you about itself or its project. So you can ask the bot about your specific token. If that gets adopted, guys, $10 billion, $10 PAAL, $10 billion valuation, 100x. If that gets massively adopted to where it was a thing to have security, it was a thing to say, you know what, I'm going to have crypto security, or, smart contract, or DeFi, or NFTs. You know, it was a thing to just kind of have attached to your crypto project. But at this particular point, after you have a crypto audit, do you have a PAAL bot to discuss what your project is? That will, that will greatly accelerate adoption, because developers who aren't as good with communication and marketing, for that matter, will have a bot that people can just ask it questions to tell you about what the project is. without the developers having to micromanage everybody's question. So people can just start asking the PAAL bot questions. It's amazing. If that gets adopted, $10 PAAL. Just off what they're doing right now, I believe it can 10x in the bull run. Just off of what they're doing right now, PAAL X could take it to possibly $10. Seriously, if it gets adopted, 10x for sure, but 100x, like, for sure. This is a really, really good one here. Plus, they have their own ecosystem. People are buying their bots to be, custom bots. People are going to them to have their bots custom made. So, yeah, this is awesome. So, we have different crypto picks like this in our group, our Telegram group called Soundworthy Investments Group, where I teach you crypto security. I teach you different ways to invest. I give you my opinion on what to pick, how much you should put in there based on my opinion. And on top of that, okay, I give my opinion on the ones that I believe can 10x to 100x. Okay, it's a $500 one-time payment to get into the group, and you learn all of this stuff that I'm talking about. Okay, if anything changes, I update the group on different things regarding these projects. The last one I did, one of my best picks was Injective at $1, and it went to 40. And that was a 40x, so $1,000 turning into $40,000. Of course, that could be $10,000 turning into $400,000, but whatever money you invest is what 10x. Okay, so if you all are interested, shoot me a DM on Mike Check Global Instagram and say crypto. Peace.